Okay, so Terra Luna Classic continues to amaze. It is currently up 65% on the day, up 70% more than Bitcoin, and up 77% more than Ethereum. We're going to talk about why that may be with a piece of news for today, and then also we're going to be going over technical analysis at the end of the video. So make sure you guys watch until the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of this extremely important information about Terra Luna Classic. Also, leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel, and so you won't miss any of this really awesome Terra Classic content. But anyways, let's get straight into this video. Terra Classic is currently ranked number 210 in the world with a $985 million market cap. We are so close to reaching that $1 billion market cap, and the volume is actually higher than its market cap. We have not seen that in a very long time. The volume is currently $1.1 billion, and it is up 217% over the past 24 hours. So if you guys remember what I was telling you guys, I said, hey guys, I want to see this volume get over 100 million. If that is a possibility, we could see anywhere from 10 to 30% gains. Well, we got over 130 million and we saw over 30% gains. And then the next 2 days, we had about 500 million and $500 million in volume. And we saw back-to-back days with like 30 to 50% gains. Well, today we now have $1.1 billion in volume and have kept it up all day. And now you can see we have gone from that 9 level all the way up to this 15 level, getting about 60% gains, 70% gains, just doing absolutely amazing. If you look at the last 7 days, it has just been a rocket ship up. But anyways, let's get into this news for today. So before we do that though, I do want to mention that you can get a free stock with Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. And Public is a social investing platform where you can see what we're investing in, some of your favorite investors are investing in. So go ahead and deposit $1 on public.com, get up to $300 worth of free stock. It's worth it. But anyways, let's get into this news. So, Terra Luna Daily says, for your notice, USTC or old UST rockets drastically these days. Will it be pegged to $1 again? So this has actually gone up over 1,000% pretty much in the past couple of days. And if you guys don't know, USTC was the old UST, which was the stablecoin that was pegged to $1. It was an algorithmic stablecoin, and people basically thought it was just dead in the water. Well, it's up over 1,000%. People are trying to get USTC back to its $1 peg. Now, whether or not this is going to actually work, we'll have to still see. However, people in the community are trying to make a push to get this back to its dollar. So we'll have to see what happens with that. But that's just pretty interesting in my opinion. But anyways, today we're going to be going over 530 million inflows Terra Classic in 4 days. What's behind the curtain? So let's go over this article here. Terra Classic, the original chain of the collapsed Terra Luna ecosystem, continues to gain interest among investors, attracting significant capital inflows contrary to the general market or crypto market sentiments. Following the collapse, it was highly anticipated that LunC would go back to zero, but the token appears to be earning the support of its community. The support is highlighted by the 534 million that has flown into the network's market cap over the past 4 days. As of June 26th, Terra Classic's market cap stood at 388 million, surging as high as 922 million June 29th, a growth of 137% over the as per CoinMarketCap data. Over the same period, LunC price surged 120% to trade at 13 by press time. The crash of Terra, and then they go into how the crash happened, but we really don't care about that. But according to Finbold, Terra Classic holders have surged over 500% in a month. So on May 9th, there was 1,600 holders. There's now 10,000 holders, an increase of 525%. So why is all this happening? It's because of Anonymous. So Anonymous has a plan to expose Do Kwon. The spike has also come after hacker activist group Anonymous announced it would look into Terra founder Do Kwon over his involvement in the Terra crash. So if you guys don't know, Do Kwon is going to be the kind of conspirator around how Terra actually collapsed. And that's the allegations against him. Basically, Terraform Labs, who he's the CEO of, tried to move $100 million from one place to another, and then two traders saw this, they took advantage, they made trades, and then all of a sudden UST absolutely collapsed, and then Luna also collapsed with it. Well, Anonymous plans to expose Do Kwon by basically looking into his past. Some people have said, however, that Anonymous may just be doing this to promote their token. Basically, no one knows who Anonymous is because they're just that, anonymous. And they have been trying to promote their token to different people. So at the end of the day, Anonymous could just be trying to promote their token, and it could just be a random person who's not even in Anonymous that is trying to look into Do Kwon. So I do want to make sure that you guys understand that. But even if Anonymous isn't looking into Do Kwon to expose him, it doesn't exactly matter because South Korea police are looking into this, as well as the SEC is looking into this, and I believe they have a no-flight call from the South Korean government. So they are getting looked into. Don't worry, that is happening currently. But yeah, that's really kind of what started this whole big pump that we have been seeing, is that Anonymous made a YouTube video saying that they're going to expose Do Kwon. But anyways, before we get into the technical analysis, I do want to mention that we're putting out free bangers in our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. You guys can go ahead and join that, and then you're going to get stock option plays as well as crypto plays. We put out 2 100% bangers in the past couple of days. You guys got to get joined up to get some of that free money just waiting for you. But anyways, let's talk about this technical analysis. So for a while we were trading at about this level between the 9.5 as well as the 79. This is after we already had our big increase in price, and then we broke above that yesterday. We had a bull flag, and we even surpassed what my expectations were on the bull flag. I thought 13 was going to be the biggest amount we could get to. Well, we have got even further to the 15, and now we are seeing a bit of a cup. We might see a cup and handle start to form here, and if we are to see that cup and handle form, we can see an increase in price all the way to about the, let me see here, see an increase in price all the way to the 18 level from here, which would be about 15 to 20% in gains. So this thing just keeps on going. We'll have to see how far it does go, but I could see another 15 to 20% in gains with this. We're also trending up on the MACD, and the RSI is only 58. So yeah, that's pretty much what I see with Terra Classic today. Make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join the free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. Other than that, I'm Zach with Finance Bro. Take it easy.